Alright, this is being made on the same day as the other video. Currently gonna upload it tomorrow. Don't really see a reason in uploading it the same day. Right now I'm trying out the Viking, right now I'm trying out the Viking battery charger from Harbor Freight. Gonna probably check up on it in a little bit. Yeah, all you really need to know is positive first and then negative. Alright, so right now it's going on about 4 a.m. and the battery charger is at 90% from 60% at about 5 p.m. yesterday. Gonna see if I don't know. I'll do a more in-depth probably tomorrow, but from the looks of it, it is 100% charged. So, yeah, I think I'm just gonna disconnect it. Because I really don't feel like keeping it on all night, so. Yep, I believe as long as I remove the negative. Yeah, alright, so as long as you remove the negative, it'll turn on this screen. Kinda wish I was shown that, but maybe tomorrow. So supposedly this is fully charged now. I'll be checking this tomorrow after I reinstall it. Alright, so this should hopefully be the proper reinstall for the battery. Assuming it didn't go dead while it was sitting out. So, yeah, I mean, basics, just gonna put in the battery, and I'll get started up after I did that. I don't got a tripod to show it, so I have to work with what I got. Alright, I got the battery installed. Now it's time for the startup. I'm gonna be charging stuff right after. Or charging. I'm gonna be filling up the tires right after this. Assuming it starts. That's peculiar. I assume it's the alternator, I'm not quite sure. Well, it sounds like it's chilled out. And now, I let it warm up. It's been quite a while since I've had this thing running, so... Yeah. I'm gonna go and fill up the tires with air. So go fill up the tires, and then I'm gonna listen to some of my music. I haven't been able to listen to my subwoofers in quite a long time. I've missed listening to these. So yeah, I'll be back. So the Viking battery charger, it works. It got my battery charged. Of course, I don't exactly have a proper stress test for it, so I can't really say if it would break after like 100 batteries or something. But for right now, for like a basic startup, or if you just need your battery charged like maybe once every 5 months, assuming you're trying to make an old battery last a lot longer, this will most likely do the job. If I had to assume, like I said, I don't really have a benchmark to actually test if this thing could get overwhelmed and detonate itself essentially. So, yeah. But for the time being, I mean, it works. most of it's pretty much basic. If you put the positive and negative on for after about 30 seconds, it'll start to do it automatically, which it'll just select standard battery and auto. I forget what it says exactly, but yeah, I mean, you probably saw it on the screen back from the other clips, but yeah, I mean, it works. I'm not quite sure about winter mode. I know that the recondition pretty much works. Yeah, that's just battery selection. That's your amps. So that's if you want 2 amps, 8 amps, or 15 amps. And auto, obviously. I left on auto for pretty much most of the time. I mean, it pretty much tells you what each of the amps do, so yeah. Yeah, I mean, it works. You got my car charged, and that's all that matters. So, yeah. For basic stuff, the Viking 12-volt battery charger will work.